Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple process of sending money to Mexico using Remitly. It's a fast, secure, and often more affordable way to get funds to your loved ones. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to either download the Remitly app from your app store or visit their website, remitly.com. Once you've got it up and running, you'll be prompted to create an account. This involves providing some basic information like your name, address, email, and phone number. You'll also need to create a secure password. After you've filled in all the necessary details, Remitly will likely send a verification code to your email or phone, so make sure to check those and enter the code to complete the registration process. Now that you have an account, you're ready to send money. The first step is to specify that you want to send money to Mexico. Select Mexico from the list of countries. Next, you'll need to enter the amount of money you want to send in your local currency, and Remitly will automatically show you the equivalent in Mexican pesos, along with any fees and the exchange rate. Remitly offers different delivery options, and this is where you choose how your recipient will receive the funds. Common options include bank deposit, cash pickup, and mobile money transfer. If you choose bank deposit, you'll need to know the recipient's bank name, account number, and sometimes their CLAB number, which is an 18-digit bank code used in Mexico. For cash pickup, you'll select a convenient pickup location, such as Electra, Walmart, or OXXO, and the recipient will need to present a valid ID and the transaction reference number to collect the cash. If you opt for mobile money, ensure your recipient has a supported mobile wallet service. After selecting your delivery method, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's information. This typically includes their full name as it appears on their ID, their address, and their phone number. Double-check this information carefully to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. Next comes your payment information. Remitly accepts various payment methods, including debit cards, credit cards, and bank accounts. Enter your card details or connect your bank account securely. Finally, before you finalize everything, review all the details of your transaction. This includes the amount you're sending, the exchange rate, the fees, the delivery method, and the recipient's information. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. Remitly will then process your transaction and provide you with a transaction reference number. You can share this number with your recipient so they can track the transfer or use it when picking up the cash. Remitly will also send you updates on the status of your transfer via email or SMS. And that's it. You've successfully sent money to Mexico using Remitly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.